Hi, my name is Rohan Goswami, and I am a senior here at ASU. I'm taking this class because I'm trying to get a basic understanding of search engine optimization and a few of those kind of marketing development tools. Outside of this class, I run my own company. We do talent acquisition, so we book musicians for nightclubs up in LA, Salt Lake City, Vegas, and New York. Currently, I reside in Newport Beach, California, kind of splitting time between here and West Hollywood, as I have to kind of close contracts. Outside of this, some interesting things about myself are, we manage all the contracts for Sundance Film Festival. We've worked with pretty much all the top 40 artists out there. In my free time, I enjoy going out. We enjoy eating out at the various restaurants that Los Angeles has to offer, traveling, and obviously music, as I've kind of dedicated my career towards it. I hope to get a few different things out of this class. Mainly, I think that the professional project and development of the website is going to be extremely helpful for me, being that I do operate a company right now, and we do work on an independent contractor basis by word of mouth. It would be good for us to have a marketing platform to kind of reach other audiences and expand our grasp in the market. I also look forward to kind of learning about some of the other tools that I already use on a daily basis and how to kind of expand my knowledge and skills upon them. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to getting to know you and working with you guys in future assignments. Thank you.